Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter in a Toyota Prius. First, gather your new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Prius is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. You'll be working on the passenger side, so locate the glove box. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's air quality. Now, open your glove box completely and remove everything inside to give yourself plenty of room to work. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This will release the two stoppers, allowing the glove box to swing down further. On the right side, you'll see a small dampener arm. Carefully detach it to fully open the glove box. With the glove box fully open, you'll see a rectangular housing covered directly behind it. This is where your cabin air filter resides. Unclip the two tabs on the cover and pull it straight out. Before removing the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow on its side. This is crucial for correct installation of the new filter. Now, slide the old filter out and insert the new one, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction. To finish up, slide the filter housing cover back into its slot until both tabs click securely into place. Reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box, then gently push the glove box back up until it latches. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Remember to check the description below for a link to great deals on reading devices and other helpful products. Replacing your filter every 15,000 miles or once a year keeps your air fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.